Boa tarde. Essa palestra do Dr. Niles Eldredge, ele é paleontólogo do Museu de História Natural de Nova York, ele é curador do museu desde 1969, é o criador da teoria do equilíbrio pontuado, foi o curador da exposição Darwin. Daí eu passo a palavra para o Dr. Eldredge.
The idea of putting biodiversity together with genomics, I think, is fantastic, because we have the science of diversity at the genetic level, we have the outdoors with the living plants and animals of the world. Now we're putting them together and we're looking for ways to understand how they all fit together. And there's another point about this which I think is tremendous, and that is that both genomics and biodiversity are aspects of science in the modern world which have tremendous social implications. But I want to talk about the nature of biodiversity, and in particular, what has brought us to the crisis that we're facing right now, which I do call the sixth extinction. Most people would say that species are groups of animals or plants that can reproduce with each other, and that's true. But if you think about it, it means they are actually sharing a common genome. We are still animals. We need oxygen. We need fresh water. We need the basic chemistry of life that's produced and cycled constantly by ecosystems. How many people can the Earth support? Depends on the level of support you're talking about. But the kind of level of existence, of middle class, comfortable existence, maybe 2 billion people. And we already have 6 billion people on the planet. So we have enormous problems that we're facing. We basically stepped outside of local ecosystems when we became independent for the production of food by growing our own food. Genomics is just the last wave of this. It fundamentally changes human relationship to the land. You are no longer dependent upon the local ecosystem. We're over-harvesting. Pollution is a bad problem, and the introduction of alien species. These factors are what we're doing to the planet right now. Inadvertently, nobody wants to destroy things, but in point of fact, we are destroying the world's ecosystem at an increasingly rapid rate. There is no limit to the size of the human population on the planet, so it continues to grow. And that is one of the unintended and in a sense, negative aspects of the success that we've enjoyed on Earth. The first step to solving any problem is to recognize that you've got one there. And so the Earth, I think we all understand that the Earth is under severe threat, but nobody's giving up, and I think there's reason for hope. So on that note, I'll say muito obrigado, and thank you for your attention.